components of a vector and properties. Suppose there is a point P in three-dimensional space having coordinates x, y, z. Then vector OP having O as its initial point and P as its terminal point is called the position of vector of the point P with respect to O. Let I cap be the unit vector along the x-axis, j cap be the unit vector along the y-axis, and k cap be the unit vector along the z-axis. Then the position vector OP is given as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This is known as the component form of vector OP. Here x, y and z are called the scalar components of vector OP. And xi cap, yj cap and zk cap are called the vector components of vector OP along the respective axes. Let's now discuss some properties of vectors in component form. If vector A equals to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap and vector B equals to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap are two vectors in component forms, then according to the first property, the sum or resultant of vectors A and B is given as vector A plus vector B equals to a1 plus b1 I cap plus a2 plus b2 j cap plus a3 plus b3 k cap. According to the second property, the difference of vectors A and B is given by vector A minus vector B equals to a1 minus b1 I cap plus a2 minus b2 j cap plus a3 minus b3 k cap. According to the third property, the vectors A and B are equal if and only if A1 equals to B1, A2 equals to B2, A3 equals to B3. According to the fourth property, the multiplication of vector A by any scalar m is given by m vector A equals to m A1 I cap plus m A2 j cap plus m A3 k cap. According to the fifth property, the vectors A and B are collinears if and only if B1 upon A1 equals to B2 upon A2 equals to B3 upon A3 equals to M, where M is a scalar. According to the sixth property, A1, A2, A3 are also called direction ratios of vector A. Similarly, B1, B2, B3 are also called direction ratios of vector B. According to the seventh property, if I, M, N are direction cosines of a vector, then L I cap plus M j cap plus N k cap equals to cos alpha I cap plus cos beta j cap plus cos gamma k cap is the unit vector in the direction of the given vector, where alpha, beta and gamma are the angles which the vector makes with x, y and z axis respectively. These properties are very helpful while solving questions related to vectors.